Is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking these out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. You reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This actually started a downtrend right from here and it sold till it got to this support zone. If you should notice, it's also respected it around there, so it has not been able to break out from there. So right from there, it switched back into an uptrend and it started buying, and it has gotten to the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then you see it selling back. And of course, this is also the target. Again, this region is the target. Okay, so if it sells back, so but you wait for the right signal before you jump into it. For now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. That is when it's going to sell. So let's add that to the information we have on our screen. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course, remember we actually milk this asset together right from this resistance zone and to this very moment, and it has gotten to this support zone. It seems it's may not break out below the support zone. So if it's not going to break out below the support zone, let's quickly do a quick setup for ourselves. Okay, remember, if it breaks out below the resistance zone, I mean below the support zone, then it's going to keep on selling. But if it does not, this is what we should expect. Okay, of course, it has given us an uptrend signal already. This should have been our entry point, and of course, right from there, we should highlight some TPs for ourselves. Okay, so right there should be the first TP. Let's check the second TP. This is the second TP, and the third one. Okay, I'm going to put the third one here, and the fourth one should be somewhere here. I'm on 15-minute time frame, so these are not small TPs. Okay, so let me put the last one here. Okay, so these are highlighted TPs that you can take advantage of if these should buy. Okay, there might be a little pullback around there, so if the pullback occurs, then you can now jump into it if you miss out from this. Okay, so this is very, very important. So we expect a buying opportunity, that is if it does not break out from this support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So buying at the moment, just the way we have seen it. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. This has been on downtrend for a while, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, so it's trying to switch back into an uptrend. If it breaks out below that, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. I showed you this in the morning. I said if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will get to this region and also this region. But the way it is right now, it's trying to pull back. The pullback might not be a very long time. Let's go back to 15-minute time frame. Okay, it might not be for a very long time. Okay, so probably I'm expecting the pullback to get to somewhere here. So if it does not break out from here, then it will go back on downtrend and try to break out below this support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is buying at the moment, even though I don't expect it to buy for long because of the trend. Okay, buying, I don't expect it to buy for long, except if it breaks out from that resistance zone. That is when it's going to buy more. So you should watch out for that. So now let's check out Penex 999. This is Penex 999. I also analyzed this particular asset in the morning, and of course, this happened to be the entry point, the support zone. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved. Okay, so this is still selling. So we expect it to get to this region. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. So this is FX volume 80. This is it on 1 hour time frame. So I'm still going to take it down to 15 minutes time frame. So I actually highlighted this section because this is the resistance zone, and it is either it respect the resistance zone and sell, or probably it breaks out from there. If it breaks out from there, then we still have this region to milk. Okay, now let's go back to 15 minutes to see what is really happening on 15-minute time frame. So you can see this is still on a very strong uptrend, and of course if it should break out from the resistance, like I said earlier on, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will switch back into a downtrend, but for now it is still buying, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from the resistance zone and switch back into a downtrend. That is when you can say it's going to sell. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real accounts. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.